one. And the race is on top. The outside, Jedan Dugo, papaitan. Moving up by the round time away, Blusher. It's now number 2, Papaitan by a length and a half top meet. Alongside is time away in between runners, Jaden Dugo. Moving up by the round, Game Changer, Blusher, and Silent Power. Passing the half-mile post, Papaitan, followed by top meet, Jaden Dugo. Time away alongside 4, then comes Game Changer, Blusher, Silent Power. Rounding the far turn, Papaitan by about a length and a half. Followed by top meet on the outside, Jaden Dugo. And moving up is time away, Game Changer down on the inside. As they race the final corner, Papaitan. Top meet down on the inside. And ring the last 150 meters more to run. Papaitan. This time by about 2 lengths top meet. And on the outside, Jaden Dugo, Game Changer. And finally, the icebreaker, Papaitan second. Close top meet, Game Changer. Number 3, Jaden Dugo, Blusher. Number 6, Time Away, and Silent Power to complete the arrival.